In a world brimming with opportunities and possibilities, it often feels like only a fraction of potential paths are visible to us. What if there was a way to uncover layers of hidden potential in our lives? Today we're looking into the concept of the hidden method, a transformative approach that has the power to open up doors to personal, professional, and relational growth that many might think are closed. Let's start by defining what we mean by the hidden method. This isn't just a single technique or a straightforward strategy, but a collection of approaches tailored to harnessing latent capabilities within ourselves and the situations we encounter. It revolves around shifting perspectives, innovative thinking, and applying lesser-known principles that catalyze significant changes. Historically, the idea of utilizing hidden methods is not new. Across various cultures and eras, influential thinkers and leaders have tapped into these lesser-seen pathways to achieve remarkable feats. Without naming specific individuals, we can appreciate the essence of their success, often derived from looking beyond the conventional and exploring the unexplored. This method doesn't involve secret formulas or mystical processes. It's about a mindset tuned to perceive and act beyond the ordinary. It's about asking the right questions and being open to answers from unexpected quarters. This approach encourages us to rethink our limitations and assumptions, pushing us to transcend everyday boundaries. As we explore how to integrate this methodology into different areas of our lives, remember, the aim is not just to achieve more, but to understand deeper, connect better, and grow continuously. Transitioning into the realm of personal development, the hidden method serves as a powerful tool for self-discovery. It begins with a fundamental question: how well do we truly know ourselves? By applying this method, individuals are encouraged to conduct deep self-assessment, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and perhaps most importantly, unrecognized potential. This process doesn't just scratch the surface, but digs deeper, seeking to understand the core of our aspirations and fears. One significant aspect of the hidden method in personal growth is its ability to help individuals break through personal limitations. Often, we are not held back by our capabilities, but by our beliefs about what we can or cannot do. By challenging these mental barriers and replacing them with a mindset of growth and possibility, the hidden method opens up a landscape of new opportunities for personal achievement. It's about turning "I can't" into "I haven't yet," which transforms the way we approach challenges and goals. In the professional sphere, the hidden method proves equally transformative. Consider career advancement, which for many feels like a path hampered by obstacles and setbacks. Here, this method acts as a catalyst for change, encouraging professionals to envision and pursue a trajectory that might seem out of reach. It's not about taking reckless leaps, but strategic ones, where you learn to identify underutilized skills and hidden opportunities within your current role or industry. The hidden method fosters innovation and creativity at work. It challenges the status quo and prompts individuals to ask, what if, in their professional lives? This could mean proposing a new project that aligns with untapped market needs or rethinking an existing process to enhance efficiency. By applying this innovative mindset, professionals can contribute uniquely and significantly to their fields, making themselves indispensable and their work impactful. Shifting our focus to interpersonal relationships, the hidden method offers a unique perspective on how we connect and communicate with others. At its core, this approach encourages a deeper understanding and appreciation of the diverse viewpoints and emotional landscapes that each individual brings to a relationship. This enhanced awareness can lead to more empathetic interactions and a stronger, more resilient bond. In practical terms, employing the hidden method in relationships means actively listening to and understanding others' needs and responses without preconceived judgments. It challenges us to look beyond the obvious expressions of feelings and dig deeper into the reasons behind a person's actions or words. By doing so, we can respond more thoughtfully and constructively, fostering a climate of mutual respect and support. The hidden method is invaluable when it comes to building new connections, whether in personal life or professional settings. This method teaches us to approach new interactions with openness and curiosity, making it easier to forge connections that might otherwise seem unlikely. It prompts us to consider the potential in every encounter and to seek out common ground, even with those who appear vastly different from us. This approach not only enhances our existing relationships, but also broadens our social and professional networks. By being genuinely interested in learning from others and contributing positively to their experiences, we create opportunities for more meaningful and beneficial interactions. While we have seen the hidden method has profound implications not only in our personal lives, but also can extend its influence to broader societal changes. When applied on a larger scale, such as within communities or organizations, this method can ignite significant transformations. It promotes a culture of continuous improvement and innovation, fostering environments where new ideas flourish and collective goals are pursued with renewed vigor. For communities and organizations, adopting the hidden method involves creating systems that encourage exploration and reward creative problem solving. It's about shifting from a "this is how we've always done it" mindset to a "what more can we achieve" perspective. This shift doesn't just open up new possibilities for growth, it also builds a more engaged and motivated group of individuals who feel valued and understood, thus driving collective success. Looking forward, the implications of the hidden method in emerging fields such as technology and sustainability are especially exciting. In the tech world, this approach can lead to the development of innovative products and services that better meet the evolving needs of society. By questioning the status quo and exploring uncharted territories, technologists and entrepreneurs can use this method to anticipate future trends and create solutions that address both current and upcoming challenges. In the area of sustainability, the hidden method encourages a rethinking of how we interact with our environment. It pushes for a deeper understanding of the ecological impact of our actions and fosters innovative approaches to reducing our footprint. By applying this method, individuals, businesses, and policymakers can develop strategies that not only preserve but enhance our environmental resources for future generations. As we draw near the close of our exploration into the hidden method, let's take a moment to recap the pivotal points we've covered. This method isn't just about personal, professional, or social betterment. It's a comprehensive approach that intertwines various aspects of our lives, creating a tapestry of opportunities that are boundless and interconnected. From enhancing self-awareness to fostering innovation in workplaces and beyond, the hidden method serves as a catalyst for profound transformations. This approach emphasizes a shift in perspective, a move from seeing what is to imagining what could be, whether it's in dealing with personal barriers, professional challenges, or societal limitations. The hidden method equips us with the tools to think creatively and act boldly. By consistently applying this mindset, we open up a plethora of possibilities that can lead to substantial and meaningful changes in our lives and the lives of those around us. Now, having unpacked the layers and potential of the hidden method, it's your turn to apply these concepts in your own life. Start small, perhaps with a personal project or by reaching out to make a new connection. Reflect on the barriers you perceive and consider how they might be transformed into stepping stones. As you experiment with this method, observe the changes, not just the outcomes, but also in your thinking processes and perspectives. We invite you to share your journey with the hidden method. What challenges did you tackle using this approach, and how did it change the way you interact with your environment or the people around you? Remember, the path to opening up infinite possibilities begins with a single thoughtful step.